In this video, I'm going to talk about the Sony A9 and why it's my favorite wedding photography camera. This camera is so sick, and I can't believe nobody talks about it. It's a year older than the Sony A7 III, but honestly it has perks in it that the Sony A7 III doesn't have that are particularly useful for wedding photographers. The first and the main reason that this is my go-to wedding photography camera is the fact that you can shoot silently anywhere you go. The Sony A9 has a stacked sensor, which basically means that I can shoot anywhere that I want silently, and I don't have to worry about any kind of banding in my images, which is huge because especially during those intimate wedding moments and wedding ceremonies, the sound of a shutter often is distracting and draws away from the moment and draws attention to me, which is not what I want. So the stacked sensor comes in huge in those moments. Another reason that I love the Sony A9 for wedding photography particularly is the fact that you can shoot up to 20 frames per second. Honestly, I don't spray and pray that much, but it's nice knowing I have that option because especially during weddings when there are so many unpredictable moments, it's nice just to get my frame right, hold down the shutter, and know because of how many frames per second I have that I'm almost guaranteed that shot that I'm thinking of. And last but not least, the Sony A9 has tracking autofocus, which is just ridiculous, especially for weddings when there are so many unpredictable moments and things are almost always out of your control. So it's nice knowing that I can put my focus point on my subject, and no matter where they go, as long as they're in line of sight of my camera and my lens, I'm gonna be able to track them down and get the moment that they're in.